Most AI video tools still do this wrong. They generate a silent video and then force you to fix the audio later. That means more tools, more editing, and a broken creative workflow. But this changes everything. This AI generates video, voice, and ambience together in one single pass. And right now, it offers unlimited generations. This is Kling 2.6 audio by Higgsfield. Quick transparency before we continue. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield today. I'm walking you through Kling 2.6 audio, showing exactly how it works inside the platform, why it's a major upgrade over previous AI video models, and how creators can actually use it in real workflows. Kling 2.6 audio is Higgsfield's latest multimodal video generation model. What makes it different is something called native audio. Until now, most AI video models could only generate silent visuals. If you wanted sound, voice, or ambience, you had to add everything later. Kling 2.6 audio changes that. It generates 48 kHz audio tracks at the same time as the visuals. That means voice, background sound, atmosphere, and motion are created together in one coherent scene. No extra plugins, no audio stitching, no post-production fixes. Here, I'm inside the Higgsfield.ai platform with Kling 2.6 audio selected. The first step is the prompt. Instead of separating video and audio, I describe everything in one place. The scene, the camera framing, the emotional tone, the voice delivery, and the ambient sound. There's no separate audio setup here, no microphone selection, no voiceover software, no timeline juggling. Everything is defined directly in the prompt. This is where Kling 2.6 audio immediately feels different. Now let's look at the result. This is the final output generated by Kling 2.6 audio. The visuals, voice, and background sound are created together in one single pass. The audio you're hearing is native. It's generated by the model itself, not added later during editing. This alone removes a huge amount of friction from AI video workflows to show how flexible Kling 2.6 audio is. Here's a second example, using a completely different prompt. This time, it's a modern, explicable scene with a narrator describing a new technology. Notice how the voice timing, the camera motion, and the ambience all stay perfectly aligned. Again, no separate audio tools. Everything is generated together. That's the real advantage of native audio. In addition to video generation, Higgsfield also includes image generation tools. Here I'm using NANO BANANA PRO to generate high-quality images directly inside the platform. This is useful for concept frames, storyboarding, thumbnail creation, and visual planning. I often use image generation first to lock in a style or mood before moving into full video scenes with Kling 2.6 audio. It keeps everything in one creative ecosystem. Let's talk briefly about pricing. Here's a quick look at Higgsfield's plans. Compared to other AI video platforms, Higgsfield currently offers some of the lowest prices on the market, especially when you consider that video, voice, and ambience are generated together in a single workflow. This makes it practical, not just for individual creators, but also for educators, agencies, and in-house teams producing high volumes of content. Now let's look at real-world use cases. This is where Kling 2.6 audio really starts to shine. One of the biggest use cases is educational and explicable content. Instead of writing a script, recording your voice, editing audio, and syncing everything manually, you can generate a complete, explicable scene in one step. The narration, visuals, and pacing are already aligned. For creators, this means faster uploads. For educators, clearer lessons. And for businesses, scalable video production without extra tools or complexity. This workflow is also ideal for social media videos, product walkthroughs, onboarding clips, and internal training content. Let me quickly explain how I would personally use Kling 2.6 audio in a real content workflow. I would start by using image generation to lock in a visual style or mood for the project. That helps me decide on framing, lighting, and overall tone early. Once the concept is clear, I'd move straight into Kling 2.6 audio to generate the full video scene with narration and ambience already included. For fast drafts or social media content, I'd keep the native audio IZs and publish directly. And for more polished projects, I could render the same scene silently and add custom sound or music later. This flexibility makes Kling 2.6 audio useful not just for quick experiments, but also for repeatable, professional production workflows. Instead of juggling multiple tools, everything stays inside one platform, which saves time and reduces friction. Here's what's new in Kling 2.6. Audio. Native audio means video and sound are generated together in one pass. Optional, silent. Output lets you render without audio if you want to edit or add custom sound later. Better motion, fidelity. Creates more stable scenes and cleaner camera. Movement. Higher prompt precision improves emotion, framing, and style accuracy. And everything renders in full 1080p quality, with sharper detail and more reliable realism. So who is Kling 2.6 audio actually? 4. It's perfect for content creators making shorts, explainers, and demos with instant voiceover and synced audio. It's ideal for advertisers and performance marketers running fast video ads, where sound and tone must match the message. It's powerful for filmmakers and VFX artists testing concepts with built-in atmosphere and character voice. It works well for educators and storytellers who need clear narration and supportive sound. And it's extremely practical for agencies and in-house teams handling high-volume video workflows. If silence used to break immersion in AI videos, this fixes that. One important thing to mention, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for users on the Ultimate Plus plan. That means you can generate as much AI video with native audio as you want, without worrying about parental limits. If you want to try this yourself, I've linked Kling 2.6 audio in the description below. You'll also find a link with all prompts used to generate the video assets. If this breakdown helped, subscribe for more AI tools, workflows, and creator-focused demos. Thanks for watching. And let me know what you think of Kling 2.6 audio in the comments.